Okay, a few minutes ago I filmed myself opening my new toy here. The video didn't play. This is a slightly belated birthday present from my little brother. It's a Gerber Truss multi-tool. It's got the pliers, really nice, folds up nicely. It's got a knife blade, screwdrivers, saw blade, another knife blade. This has got scissors in it. There we go. Sorry. There we go. Scissors. Kind of weird. You gotta pull these levers to fold them back. There's a file, if I can get to it. Let's see. How do I open it? There we go. File. Comes with a nice little elastic and nylon case. This will come in really handy whenever I'm out in the field. So I gotta say thanks to my little brother for this birthday present.